Hello, good day everyone. This is Teps, welcome back to this channel. We have a Sony Smart LED TV, a model KDL40W650D. It's not turning on and no standby light indicator. I'll show you how to fix it. If you are interested in electronics and want to learn how to repair TVs and other electronic gadgets, you've came to the right channel. So be sure to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you never miss a video like this. So let's get started.
CN credit note sa first two quarters ng use ng confidential fund ng,
Ito,
ng
Attorney Camora, you recognize.
Yes po, Mr. Chair.
may I know the basis why nagbigay po kayo ng credit notice? Kasi what I know is if you give credit notice, everything is proper.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Nagbigay ng credit notice doon sa first two quarters.
Since submit po sila ng documents that we required in the AOM.
The TV has no sign of life, so let's measure the voltages. We can measure the voltages from the ceramic capacitor terminals. Only 19.5 volts is present. This TV has an external 19.5 volts supply adapter. The main board should have a standby voltage like 5 volts and 3.3 volts. If some voltage are missing, there may be a short circuit one of the rail lines. So let's first remove the external power supply and set our multimeter to continuity mode and test a possible short circuit. We can test the rail lines from the terminals of the ceramic capacitors. A long beep means a possible short circuit. It seems we have a shorted rail line. It is everywhere on the motherboard. It appears that this capacitor is damaged and has a crack. No need to apply voltage to the shorted rail line to find the shorted components. The capacitor shows the crack apparently. Let's apply flux to the faulty capacitor and remove it with a hot air gun. The short circuit is now gone, confirming that the cracked capacitor is greatly shorted. I don't know what the value of the capacitor is, I rather put a capacitor with the same size. I mean the physical size. Some capacitors are calculated by their physical sizes because they have no markings. It is maybe 10 to 47 microfarad. It is not essential to replace them with the same value, they function as decoupling or filter capacitors. Even if you don't replace it, the circuit will still work because many capacitors are connected to the rail line. The capacitor looks like it is properly soldered. Let's measure the voltage of the rail line after replacing the cracked capacitor. I hope that the DC to DC regulator hasn't been damaged as well. The voltage is now 5.1 volts. The indicator light is on, and the screen displays information. Seems the TV is okay now.
A few moments later.
The TV is now working perfectly. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video and learned something useful. You can support this channel by liking and subscribing. Don't forget to ring the notification bell to stay updated. Once again, this is Teps. See you next time, and goodbye for now.